So we are doing problem 2D, which is asking us to multiply 4/9 times 3/10. And the directions say to use the algorithm and cross-divide when possible. Well, we can certainly just go ahead and multiply our numerators and multiply our denominators. We can use that algorithm that we know. We can say 4 times 3 is 12, and that would be our numerator. And 9 times 10 is 90, and that would be our denominator. Which is great. We have an answer to the problem. However, 90 is a big number. It's not the most friendly number to work with, which is why we would like to practice using that cross-divide strategy, where we're looking for common factors. So I'm going to take 4/9 multiplied by 3/10, and I'm going to stop and think. Are there any common factors within the numbers in my numerator and the numbers in my denominator? So when I think about these numbers, I think about the number 4 and the factors of 4, the numbers that will divide evenly into 4. And I know 4 is a factor of 4, but notice that 4 will not go into 9 evenly, and it will not go into 10 evenly. So 4 isn't going to work. So I can also think about 2. 2 will divide evenly into 4, and it will also divide evenly into 10. So I am going to cross-divide, and I'm going to divide 4 by 2 and get the answer 2. And I'm also going to divide 10 by 2 and get the answer 5. Notice I'm dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. I can then now cross-divide with the 3 and the 9. I can look at the 3, and I can say 3 divided by 3 is 1. And I can say 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now I have much smaller numbers that I can use to multiply to get that answer for 4/9 times 3/10. So I'm now going to apply the algorithm, which is multiplying the numerators by the numerators. 2 times 1 is 2. And I'm going to multiply the denominators by the denominators. 3 times 5 will give me 15. So I get the answer for 4/9 times 3/10 as 2/15, which, if I cross-divide it everywhere, most times is going to be in simplest form, which is something that's important when the problem is asking for it, which they will sometimes. So if you take a look back to my original answer of 12/90, I could reduce 12/90. If I divide 12 by 6 and 90 by 6, notice that I'm dividing by a version of 1. 6 divided by 6, 6 is equivalent to 1. So I'm not changing the value at all. If I do 12 divided by 6, I'm going to get 2 in my numerator, and 90 divided by 6 will give me 15 in my denominator. So notice that if I simplify my answer of 12/90, I would then get the equivalent fraction of 2/15.